That's my thing.
That's very
Manipulate with the two fingers and have a stick. Two hands, only one puppet you can manipulate, but very easy for everyone. And sometimes, by sudden, tourists find the twin.
No blonde dolls, no.
All of the puppets here made from the paper mache. 3 families, 17 people made puppets. Man made teal painting, made paper mache, polish it, glue it, and women at the same time they made the pup. Draw images, made the clothes, and stick it together. 3 families during the 7 days made 15 puppets. Yes. And here you can see the collection puppets. Each puppet's made 1 month till 3 months.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah. Like this. Last emir, he is 4 wife officials, ministers, and harem. If you want, you can take a picture. You're welcome. If you want, you can try to manipulate. No problem. Here you can see the small museum. You're welcome.